Hi guys.
Hi.
Good to see you. It's been a minute.
Sorry.
Yeah, we took a good amount of time off working on the bus. We just kind of got like a little bit burnt out of just being out here daily, and we live in Colorado, so winters are pretty brutal out here, and it just seemed like a good time for us to take a little break, take a little step back, and kind of just
Focus on ourselves.
yeah, focus on us for sure. So, but we've actually been grinding on the bus for the last like month. So we're excited to show you guys kind of what we've been working on, what progress we've made. I think you guys are gonna like it. So yeah, thanks for sticking with us this long.
Yeah, hopefully you didn't miss us too much.
Yeah, and we will get to today's video. It's probably gonna be a little bit, it's like shot over, probably months, so it's probably going to be a little bit choppy, so sorry in advance there, but we'll get you all caught up, at least for certain projects, and then we plan on doing like monthly or weekly videos to follow, and we'll stick to that this time.
I think it's so pretty.
Something else we just did is put some peel and stick tiles backsplash up in our kitchen. Definitely brightens it up. We didn't buy enough, so I just ordered some more on Amazon. Should be here Thursday, so then we can finish that up. But now I'm gonna surprise Rachel and see what she thinks.
Really nice. Almost got it done.
Yeah, we're so close.
Nice. That's really nice.
You look good.
Yeah. Especially for peel and stick.
Yeah, not too bad.
All the way up. Just take the gray paint and go all the way up to it.
Exactly.
It's pretty.
I'm finally getting to these upper storage cabinets. I'm gonna start working on some of these doors for these guys. And Rachel had a cool idea to try and like mimic the like rattan look. So I'm gonna give it my best shot. She's at work right now. So I probably will at least build maybe one or two of them, let her check it out, and we'll see how it looks. doors for the upper cabinets. We also decided to do these as well down here. So I just think it matches a little bit better, kind of ties in, pulls it all together whenever you're looking at the entire kitchen. Also decided to build this little pull-out pantry right here. Hold all of our, food, spices, all that good stuff. Just built out of plywood. And then we use these little rods, these little metal rods it's like little lips. And we're gonna get like those square containers that just like fit in there all nice and neatly and all pretty like. So pretty sweet, honestly. I'm excited about that one. That was a little bit tricky for sure. Not gonna lie, a little bit janky. But hey, it's all good. So yeah, kitchen is pretty much complete. Last little bit we got to do is just put this windowsill on, and I think we're gonna throw some like pieces of trim right here just for this transition, so it looks real nice and pretty. And then also a little piece right there in the middle. Probably one of my favorite things about this kitchen is check this out. Bada bing, bada boom. I got those underlights right down there, and then we also added this light up top. Kept this open, as you can see. Still gotta add a little piece of trim there, but pretty sexy. What do you guys think? Excited to have this done.
Drum roll, please!
Nice.
It's gonna look cute. I'm not gonna need both of us.
pretty good.
It's cute.
There you have it.
Do you love it just as much as we do?
Pretty exciting to have it finished, honestly. A lot of work, and it was a huge like visual change for sure getting this kitchen all wrapped up, but we're done.
It's probably our favorite space so far.
Yeah, it's like definitely like the most homey for
And
sure.
fully finished.
For sure. So
Look at it.
yeah, honestly, just feels really good to have it done, make some progress on the bus, and yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you like it, give us a thumbs up.
Tell us what you think in the comments.
And if you want to see some more content, which there will be, I promise, subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.
Thanks, guys.